Functions and their inverses on graphs. When a function and its inverse are plotted on the same graph, they are reflections of each other in the line y equals x. So if we look at the red line here and the blue line, those are inverse functions of each other. And the dashed pink line here is the line y equals x, and we can see they are reflections of each other. And the same is true for these two functions. We can see that they are reflections in y equals x. So if you're given the graph of a function, you can always find the graph of the inverse function just by doing a reflection in the line y equals x. Now, incidentally, that's why we do the interchange of x and y when we're finding the inverse function. Think about the x-axis. The x-axis, if reflected in y equals x, becomes the y-axis. And the y-axis becomes the x-axis. So when we go from a function to its inverse, we're interchanging x and y. And that's also why, if we consider the function and the inverse function, this is the domain for the function, and this is the range for the function. But coming back the other way, this is the domain, and this is the range. It's this interchange of x and y.